Hi friends, welcome to my channel MNP Job Alerts. First of all, congratulations who has qualified CBT1 ALP 2024, and many of the students don't know how to download the syllabus, official syllabus which was given in the notification of ALP, and they have mentioned only, see here, they have mentioned only visit this website, that is for syllabus various trades. Please check the website of https://dgt.gov.in of Director General of Training, Government of India, for syllabi of different technical trades. They have given only this line of sentence only, but many of the students, including me also, don't know how to download the official syllabus from from this official website. And today in this video I'm eager to share the details of how to download official syllabus, and as well as that materials, full materials, including video links also. I will share you. Please go through the video until last. If you like the video, like it and share this video link to the needy students who has qualified for CBT2 and don't get the chance to be disqualified. Let's get into the video. If you like the video, subscribe, share and like it. Without delay, let's get into the video. First of all, go to the web browser and type just DGT for Departmental General Training. Let you see here, Directorate General of Training. Click here of first link. Now this is the official website of Directorate General of Training, which was mentioned in the official ALP notification 2024. They have mentioned that from this website only you need to know that official syllabus and official materials which was given to the CBT2 part B, that is a trade syllabus. So in part A, if you get 100 out of 100 and without passing the CBT2 test, it's waste. So you must qualify that CBT2 test for part B. So I will show you how to download that syllabus as well as PDFs related trades, different trades. Okay, please wait. Okay guys, see here you can see that schemes and programs. Let me show you. Here see, schemes and programs on column is there, right? Just click on that, and first schemes for training, click on schemes for training. Here it will show CTS. Click on CTS. Click on CTS. Okay, it came. Here see here, list of CTS courses. They have mentioned list of CTS courses here. Click on that and see. Here these are the official trades related to CBT part B. You can see here, you see this one only, name of the trade. Okay, drone pilot, floriculture, horticulture, soil testing, crop cutting, sewing, dressmaking, sewing technology, machine automation, mechanic diesel, mechanic motor vehicle at number 15. This is one of the trade for mechanical engineers, and mechanic tractor is there. And I am searching for electronics mechanic. Why? Because I have also CBT2 test and I have chosen electronic mechanic as my trade subject, and I am also an aspirant. So let me show you that where it is. Yes, here it is. At number 62, electronics mechanic is there, right? If you are also chosen electronics mechanic as your trade subject, just click on this. Here it is the PDF official syllabus. Okay, just click on that one and open it. Yes, you can see here electronics mechanic. This is the official website, and we have downloaded this official syllabus from official website which was given in that PDF, right? So here you can see that official syllabus, and here you can check total official syllabus of that trade B, part B of that trade, which was electronics mechanic. And in electronics mechanic it is a 2 years course, right? So here it is also mentioned first year syllabus and second year syllabus. Yes, it is second year syllabus and first year syllabus also they have mentioned. You need to cover all the topics to qualify that part B trade test. So right, after downloading this syllabus, came back to that official website. Okay, this is the official website, right? So came to the top of that website, and here you can see useful links. It was shown there, just see it and click on that useful links, and Bharat Skills Learning Portal, second option. Right, it will show you like this, and it will take to you external website, that is another website. Don't worry, go to that page. See here, after clicking on that useful links and Bharat Skill Portal, it will show you CTS, CITS apprenticeship, IIT blend learning, IIT blend learning. We want CTS. Click on CTS. Yes. Here it is showing. Yes, you can see craftsman training scheme, which was I clicked right, CTS. Here you can select your trade syllabus. Yes, fitter, electrician, electronics mechanic, computer operator, motor vehicle, welder, wireman, like that. All trades which was mentioned in that official website, it is mentioned here also. You can download your trade syllabus from here. I choose an electronics mechanic as my subject, right? So I click electronics mechanic. Yes, see here, this is trade practical. Here it is mentioned trade practical, right? This trade practical is for students who are studying in colleges. For us, we need to study the theory, right? So trade theory, select trade theory. And I also mentioned, right, this trade is related 2 years course. It is 2 years course, so you need to download 2 years, first year and second year as well. This is first year and this is second year syllabus. You need to cover total first year and second year total syllabus. So download each year separately and read it thoroughly for CBT2 part B. Okay, and okay guys, that's it for today. And my intention was to share the details which I know. I also searched a lot for these PDFs, several web browsers, so I didn't get. At final I get, so I am sharing these details. And if you have any doubts, please comment. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe. That's it. And thank you, and all the best for your CBT2 exam. And also wish me lot and in comments.